Ready to take a break from the gram and deactivate your Instagram account? Let's do this, step by step. First, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the Hamburger Menu, located in the top right corner of your profile. This opens up a side menu with several options. Next, navigate to and select Settings and Privacy from the options presented in the side menu. Tapping on it will take you to Instagram's Settings section. Find and tap on Account Center, usually located at the very top of the settings list. This leads you to a meta screen that lets you manage several account settings. In Account Center, locate and tap on Personal Details. You will find options related to your information. Now, select Account Ownership and Control. This section is the key to managing your account's future, whether you want to deactivate or delete it. On the following screen, tap Deactivation or Deletion. This allows you to choose whether you want to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. Select Deactivate Account. Ensure the circle next to it is filled in, then tap Continue. Instagram will ask you to confirm by entering your password. Type your password carefully and then tap Continue. Now, select a reason for deactivating your account from the drop-down menu. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, so pick the one that resonates most or simply select Just Need a Break. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping Deactivate. Remember, your account will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. And that's it, your account is now deactivated.